is one of the coolest railroad artifacts ever. This is a Nathan K. Horn diaphragm. Found it right next to the CSX Newcastle subdivision. As you can see, it's been through a lot. My guess is, yeah, this is not salvageable. I could melt this, probably. The reason why it's a K-horn diaphragm, because it's 7 inches in diameter. I'm pretty sure that's what a K-horn diaphragm is. This is what am I saying? My first train horn artifact. Now, I could probably melt this and then reuse it and create it into a usable diaphragm. But I need 2 diaphragms to make a K-horn bell work, because all K-horns are double diaphragmed. Given the age, I'd say this is from Chessie system, 1980s, 1990s, because this thing is just been sitting there for years, and I have not noticed it until now. Thanks for watching.